In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your GoDaddy customer number and username. This is a straightforward process, but having clear guidance can make all the difference if it's your first time navigating the website. Whether you're new to GoDaddy or simply forgot where to find these details, I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you have the confidence to manage your account with ease. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to GoDaddy's main website. To do this, you'll want to go to the URL bar at the top of your browser and type in GoDaddy's official site, which is often referred to for its domain names, websites, hosting options, and online marketing tools. This is the first crucial step, as you will need to be on the GoDaddy site to access your account information. Once you are on the GoDaddy homepage, you'll look towards the top right corner where you'll see your profile name or a prompt to sign in if you aren't already logged in. Clicking on your profile name will take you to your account dashboard where all your products and services with GoDaddy are listed. This page is essential because it's your central hub for managing everything related to your GoDaddy account, and it's where you will find the details we're looking for. Next, within the account dashboard, you'll notice the option to click on customer number. This specific number is unique to your GoDaddy account and is used for customer service and account management processes. Seeing it here ensures that you have the correct access if you need to interact with GoDaddy's support team or troubleshoot any issues related to your account. After clicking customer number, all relevant details should display, including your customer number itself. Make sure to take note of it, perhaps jotting it down or storing it securely within your password manager for quick access in the future. It's a small step but an important one for efficient account management. Finally, ensure that you also see your associated username displayed in this section. Your username is often what you will use in combination with your password to log into your account. Keeping track of this information will save you from potential login frustrations later on. In conclusion, finding your GoDaddy customer number and username is a simple task when you know where to look. Just head to the GoDaddy website, access your account by clicking on your profile name, and your customer number and username will be easily accessible from there. I hope this guide has helped to simplify the process for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep this information safe and accessible for future reference.